Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello my dear students, welcome back to First Commerce Accountancy online classes. Dear student, in the previous class we had discussed about the concept called rectification of errors. In that class, for understanding purpose, we attempt some of the transactions and we passed correct entry, wrong entry and rectified entries also. We discussed about the meaning of rectification of errors and classification of rectification of errors. In that, there are two classification. One classification of error is rectification of errors which do not affect the trial balance, rectification of errors which affect the trial balance. Rectification of errors which do not affect trial balance is also called as two-sided errors. Let's see some of the important transactions relates to the two-sided errors. That is also called as what? That errors which not affect to the tally of trial balance. As we know that trial balance shows equal value on both the credit column and debit column. Then only we can judge that books of accounts give the accuracy, means accurate information to prepare financial statement. But sometimes tally trial balance also it is not a final proof for the accuracy of the accounts. Some mistakes may be done by an accountant while passing the journal entries or while posting the journal entries to the individual accounts or else while balancing and all. So how we can find out such errors while preparing trial balance and all. Let's see some of the transaction and see the transaction number 1. The question is like this: rectify following errors. Under that first transaction, credit sales to Rajani rupees 5,000 recorded in purchase book. So where we can record, where we should record that sales transaction, that also credit transaction in sales book, not in purchase book. If we record the transaction in purchase book, then it is what? Error of principle. We ignore the principle of accounting. So here they made a mistake like that. So how we can rectify this error? By how we can pass the rectification entry for this transaction. Let's see. To pass the rectified entry, we have to we have to analyze what is the correct entry, how we should pass the correct entry, and what has been done actually, what mistake was done by an accountant. We have to analyze that. Let's analyze that mistake. Actually, credit sales to Rajani. What is the journal entry? Credit sales to Rajani. Rajani's account debited to sales account. What is the amount? 5,000 and 5,000. Like this. This is what the correct entry. But they record the transaction in the book of purchase. Purchase, what is the transaction for credit purchase? What is the entry for credit purchase? The entry is like this: purchase as purchases account debited 5,000 to Rajani's account. They pass that entry in the book like this way. So here sales account is not there, correct? So sales account anna record madilla. So only Rajani's account debit madbekidanna credit madidare. There was a big mistake. So how we can rectify this? See, what is the correct entry? Rajani's account. Here we have to pass reverse entry. We have to cancel this entry by passing reverse opposite entry. Debit credit agide, we have to debit this. Rajani's account debited to sales account. This is what the correct entry. but they passed entry like this. How we can rectify? By passing the reverse entry we can rectify this error. ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಬೈ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್? So here Rajani's account shows credit value. So now we have to debit this to correct the entry. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಏನ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಗಳು ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರಜನೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಜನೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. ನಾವೀಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಇದ್ದನ್ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಇದ್ದನ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೋದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ತರಬೇಕು, ಆ ರೀತಿ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ರಜನೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? Two Rajani's account. Is it necessary to maintain the account like this? We can transfer the amount to one account. ರಜನಿಯ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಒಂದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹೌ ರಜನೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ 5, ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ 5. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಜನೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 10,000. In that way we can rectify the error. Here we can rectify the error like this. Rajani's account debited to sales account to purchases account. So 5,000 and 5,000 and here 10,000. Now this error, what the error was done by an accountant, now that error was rectified. Let's see the next transaction. Furniture purchased from Rao. I'll write the transaction here. Be fast. Write the transaction. Be purchased from Rao, rupees 8,000 was entered into purchase book. Was entered into purchase book. See, actually we know that if office equipment purchased that is on credit, then we should record that transaction in journal proper, not in purchase book, correct? But what they made a mistake, they made a mistake like this. They purchased furniture on credit but they recorded in the book purchase book. How we can rectify this? Before rectifying that, pass the correct entry. Furniture purchased from Rao, rupees entered into purchase book. What is the correct entry here? See, they made mistake, like instead of recording the transaction in the journal proper, they record the transaction in purchase book. So furniture account debited. What is the correct entry? Furniture account debited to Rao's account. To Rao's account. What is the amount? 8,000. 8,000. But they passed the transaction, means they passed the entry like this. Purchases account debited to Rao's account. Furniture account ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬದಲು ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ಗೆ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದ ಬದಲು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್? 8,000 and 8,000. How we can rectify this error? By passing correct entry we can rectify this error. So just pass the correct entry. Furniture account debited. Furniture account debited. Here see, there is no mistake in Rao's account. Rao's account ಅನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಾಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್, ನಾಟ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಾಟ್. ರಾಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ? ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಶೋಸ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? Now we have to credit that same account. So furniture account debited to purchases account. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರೋ that same account should be credited to rectify that error. So furniture account shows 8,000 and now this what the error was done by an accountant, now that was rectified. So this is about what? The rectification of errors to this transaction. See the next transaction, cash paid means cash sales to Radhika rupees 15,000 was shown as receipt of commission in the cash book. In the cash book. How we can rectify this transaction? Cash sales to Radhika, pass correct entry, cash account debited to sales account 15,000. What is the wrong entry they made? They passed the transaction like this, means cash account debited, instead of sales they recorded that amount in commission account. Increases in revenue is to be credited 15,000 and 15,000. So how we can rectify this? Here cash account is correctly recorded, this one is wrong. So there is a mistake in commission and sales account, not in cash account. So just credit ಆಗಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ first, commission account debited. Actually credit ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? Sales account. Now the error was now the error is rectified. See the next one, cash received from Karim rupees 6,000 posted to Nadeem. Cash received from Karim was posted to Nadeem's account. How we can pass the entry to the receipt of cash? Cash account debited to Karim's account. But they pass the entry like this, cash account, how much? 6,000, cash account debited to Nadeem's account. Here mistake in Nadeem's account, cash account correctly recorded. So credit we have to pass reverse entry, means credit ಇದ್ದದನ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನದೀಮ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಕರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 6,000. In this way we can rectify the error. So in the coming classes we will discuss some more transactions, means by passing correct entry, wrong entry and rectified entry. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.